Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And someone was asking me in a email about buying a new PC, and especially what if I would go and buy a new PC, what I am going to observe or look at first. So, of course, one of the things that I always say is make sure that it's compatible with the new Windows and make sure that you can move on forward. So if you're compatible with Windows 11, there's a good chance it'll be compatible with Windows 12 also eventually. Now, technology, unfortunately, a lot of stores sell old technology at premium price, and people spend a lot of money and end up with a PC that, for example, has Windows 10 and cannot even update to Windows 11, and they're mad. They're like, well, that minimum requirement is way too high. No, it's because that store screwed you and actually sold you a hardware that is older. Even though it performs well, still it's too old. It should not have been sold. Some of that has to do sometimes with price paid, but you should not buy technology that is very old. You should make sure that it's compatible with the future that's coming. Now, the biggest thing to watch when you get a new PC is its behavior in the first, I'd say, 10 days that you have it. If it blue screens, freezes a lot, don't hesitate and return it immediately to the store. Don't keep it. If it freezes, if it blue screens, it has an issue. It could be hardware related. It could be other types of problems, but you should not have a PC that blue screens, and you should not have a PC that freezes. And that goes with even older machines. If you are using a PC that freezes every week or has blue screens all the time, you got a problem. It is not normal that it does that. Stop thinking, well, it's Windows 11, it's normal. No, it's not. It's Windows 10, it's normal. It's not. A Windows system does not freeze or blue screen today. That is a old way of thinking of when we were on Windows 98. Yes, blue screens happened regularly back then. Not today. So hardware is the most often the problem, and it's time to have it fixed or to change that PC with something else before you actually have that PC forever, because at some point you'll be stuck with it. And you don't want to be stuck with a PC that freezes or has blue screens all the time. And of course, resist all the offers that the tech guy is giving you. Everything from added warranties to antivirus to all sorts of extra software and things. Useless, completely useless. They're doing that because they're not making a lot of money selling you a PC. So they want to sell you something extra with it to make more money. You take it as is, and that's it. You don't need anything else. Remember, Windows has its own antivirus, which is enough. So these are a few of the pointers, but the biggest pointer that I will say is really its behavior in the first 10 days. Make sure that it works well and has no issues. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.